Coming to the gastrointestinal system, it promotes defecation via osmotic retention of fluid. It can be used as a laxative as well as an antacid. Now coming to the cardiovascular system, it is a natural calcium channel blocker. It counters the effect of calcium. It acts as a cofactor for sodium potassium ATPase pump. It controls the AV node conduction. Therefore, whenever magnesium level is down, that is, whenever hypomagnesemia is there, it can cause myocardial irritability, resulting in dangerous arrhythmias like ventricular tachycardia and torsade pontis. That is the reason you have to maintain a slightly higher level of magnesium whenever there is arrhythmia. Coming to the neurological system, here it depresses the central nervous system, thereby producing a anticonvulsant effect. So, it is used in the treatment of seizure. At the neuromuscular junction, which is very important for anesthesiologists, it inhibits the release of acetylcholine, thereby blocking the peripheral neuromuscular transmission. Coming to the reproductive system, it acts as a tocolytic in preterm labor, thereby prolonging the preterm labor. It stimulates calcium reuptake by sarcoplasmic reticulum, thereby calcium goes into the sarcoplasmic reticulum, and which promotes relaxation of the smooth muscle and vasodilatation. Magnesium decreases the calcium within the uterine muscle in preterm labor, thereby your preterm is prolonged. All you want in preterm labor is to prolong the labor, and magnesium helps in it. Coming to the musculoskeletal system, it is a cofactor for parathyroid hormone synthesis. Whenever there is low magnesium, your parathyroid hormone comes down and hyperparathyroidism can happen, and this hyperparathyroidism can lead to decreased calcium and eventually leading to osteopenia and osteoporosis. Coming to the respiratory system, it is a potent smooth muscle relaxation. However, how it causes smooth muscle relaxation is little bit unclear. It is thought it is caused by inhibiting calcium, histamine or acetylcholine release in the bronchial muscle. Whenever you use magnesium, you can add other drugs like beta agonists so that they can have a synergistic effect.